Hello there, my name is Amin. I represent the company EMCsoft, and in this video I wanted to show how you can set up a different view of a deal card, lead card, contact card, company card, all of them working the same way. In my one of my previous videos I did show that inside of a self-hosted only we can create an accordion, like you go to sections where you may collapse sections or expand sections. So this is a very important when you got a lot of sections like this and you got different many fields inside, and you during that will have a navigate you through the sections. You see them, do not scroll too much down and up to see particular field which you need to to enter the data. Unfortunately, this is not common as a default function in Bitrix, so we're doing that for the self-hosted only. So you can find section, expand it, and collapse it. But in case you got the cloud, you're not able to do that. But how you can sort out the same problem in another way? The thing is that during my conversation with client, the main idea that he got and the main problem he got is that he got 5 different type of a contract, and that contract got some special fields which do not exist on another type of a contracts. Means that if you create a section for one type of a field, one type of a contract, and you're not going to use it on another type of a contract. And what happened that we got many sections, 5 sections with a lot of fields there, and that's why the agents spend a lot of time for the navigation through these sections, because you not collapse and expand that section as we done for the self-hosted. And how we can sort out that problem using cloud? In that case, you can create a sections and create a view for the particular sections for the particular type of a contract. For example, we can create, for example, you go to that view for one contract. But for example, you understand that for type contract you need to have another view because you need to put in another data. So you need to click here and select another view, and that in that way you got another sections with another fields. And for example, you got one contract, you select one view and complete the data, and the rest data will be hidden. Then for another deal, you go here and select the type of a contract you need and type of a view you need, and you expand actually fields you need and collapse fields you don't need for a particular contract. How do you can create that view? You need to go here as admin, of course, in gear wheel, and you need to click new view, give it a name, and also you can identify which users will have access to that view. Okay, so you can if you got different agents and that agents got, for example, permissions for particular contracts, you can create that view and assign that view for a particular agent. So save. You can then so you got now set test view free. You can for example delete sections, create sections, and you can hide sections. I will hide now as much as possible to see that difference in view more clear. Right, so this is a test view free. For example, I got a contract for test view 2, so I got that view. Now I want to go back to another view. That's free. So you can complete data, generate a document, and that's it. So this is a very simple video, but I think it will be very handy to give you ideas how we can use your Bitrix in a more efficient way. So if you got the questions regarding that video, ask your questions in comments under that video. If you like that video, please click like. So thank you and bye bye.